Hello everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I want to show you how you can change your profile cover on SoundCloud. So first, go to the library and now click on your profile picture. Here, click this little pen icon and click on your profile cover. Here you can retake the photo, choose from library, or simply delete the image. I'm gonna choose another one from my library and simply click this check mark if it's done. Now click save, and as you can see, it has changed. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.